Hey, come here. Come here. Hey, stop it. Stop it.
Y'all is acting up.
Stop.
Stop. Why you jerking?
Put him in a car.
What? For what?
On February 19th, 2023, in Carrollton, Georgia, a small town just outside of Atlanta, officers patrolling the nightlife district were met with unexpected chaos. As people left clubs and passed through Adamson Square, the energy of the night quickly took a turn. A concerned man flagged down a police officer, pointing toward a group locked in a heated confrontation on the sidewalk.
No. Walk this way.
Yo, brother. Stay back. Hey, stay back. Hey, stay back. Hey, come here. Hey, stop it.
I don't know what the police got. She ain't got nothing to do with it. What's wrong with you?
That is crazy.
Stop.
I'm not doing nothing, sir. I just want my stuff. That's all.
I want you to put your hands behind your back.
When
they walking that way.
I'm gonna fuck my nose.
They involved before you come around the corner?
Sir,
Go down, Old City Hall. Next car, Old City Hall.
fucking hit me in my fucking face.
Okay, you good. You gotta realize he got a job to do. Okay.
She hit me first. So I didn't even do nothing.
Wait, hold on.
She hit me first.
Hold on.
She hit me first.
Okay, just wait.
Look at the camera. She hit me first.
Come this way. Come this way. Cody, let me put her in your car.
She hit me first.
Take a seat.
I don't want to be arrested. She hit me
Okay,
first.
just hold on. Whew, I don't know. Behind, I look out some blue. Hey, come here. Step over here.
Yo, chill, bro.
Step over here.
Stop fighting.
84 is her right there.
You got sensor.
Hey. Come here.
Oh, don't grab me.
Don't grab me.
Stop walking away.
Don't grab me.
Come here.
Don't grab me.
Come here.
Don't
Hey,
grab me. I promise for God, bro.
Go
I
to
promise for God, bro. I promise for God.
handcuffs.
I'm not from Random. Please stop. I'm not from Random. Please.
Put your hand behind
Do you know what's going on?
Get on the ground, man.
On everything I love. On everything I love.
You're fixing to get tased. Stop.
Y'all don't take me for
From Random.
Handcuffs.
Please stop. I'm not from Random. Please.
You're going in cuffs right now.
I didn't do anything, please. I didn't do anything, sir. Please, sir, I didn't do anything. I'm not around here. Please,
Quit moving now.
I didn't do anything. Y'all are arresting me for no reason.
You are not.
everything I love.
Put him in cuffs.
Put me in cuffs. I'm in cuffs for what? I'm in cuffs for what? I promise y'all. Bro. I promise y'all, bro. Y'all is acting up.
Stop.
Stop. Why you jerking?
Put him in a car.
What? For what?
Back off.
For what? Can I talk to somebody? Take my gun out. Can you take my gun out, sir? Stop calling. Sir, can you take my gun out?
They started trying to. Y'all need to bring it down.
Y'all even took my wig off. These people didn't take my wig off. Excuse me, sir. Can I talk to you? Can I talk to you, sir?
Yes.
You with my hood on my head.
Yes.
She took my wig off thinking I had something to do with it, and I didn't.
Okay.
With the situation now firmly under control, officers secured all individuals in handcuffs. Yet, despite their restraints, tensions remained high as each party adamantly denied culpability, asserting that the opposing group had initiated the conflict. With no clear instigator and no viable means to determine fault in the moment, officers were left with little recourse but to charge all involved. Amid the chaos, a particularly perplexing misunderstanding emerged. One of the detained individuals became convinced that an adversary had forcibly removed her wig, an allegation that only escalated the already tense atmosphere. However, upon further investigation, it was determined that in their well-intended but forceful efforts to de-escalate the altercation, officers had inadvertently displaced the hairpiece in question.
No! Please let me out. Please. Please let me out. Please. Please. Please let me out. She hit me first. Play the camera's back, please.
Okay. Calm down.
I don't want to get the tape. Please, she hit me. That black girl hit me first. For what? Please, I don't want to go to jail. Please.
Take a seat.
No, please, officer, tell me what's going on. Please, please, please. Please tell me what's going on.
I'm going to talk to you and just have you take a seat right now.
Please don't arrest me. Please, she that black girl hit me in the fucking eye. Look at my eye, please.
Yeah, I see it. I see it.
She hit me for no reason. She hit me for no reason. And that's what I'm saying.
Okay, take a few deep breaths. Okay. What happened?
Okay, I don't know. Somebody got to arguing and everything, and I was trying to talk to the black girl, see what's going on, and she punched me in my eye, and I started screaming and crying, and then I got mad, and I punched at her back, and then that's all I know is y'all came and started putting me in handcuffs.
Okay. Well,
I got arrested.
we put everybody in handcuffs. We're trying to figure out what's going on.
See how you're grabbing me?
Come on.
But what are you grabbing me? What am I detained for?
Sit in the car.
But what am I detained for? What am I detained?
Have a seat.
For discretion for what?
Obstruction. Watch
For
your kneecap.
what?
Watch your kneecap. Watch your
Y'all
kneecap.
can't. What am I detained for?
Oh my gosh.
But y'all can't tell me. I'm really detained for what, bro?
I've never been in trouble. I just want y'all to let me go because my mama is so sick. I just
I
came
know,
out
we
to
understand
drink.
that. We're trying to figure out what happened.
I don't know
Because
what
all
she's
we
trying
run
to
up
figure
and
out.
people are hitting each other, you know what I
These
mean?
handcuffs are hurting my hand and I ain't did nothing.
Are they too tight?
Yes, sir. And I ain't
Okay,
did
turn
nothing.
around for a second. I'll loosen
Sir,
them
I
up.
ain't did nothing.
I understand. We're just trying to figure out what's going on. Here, you got to finger them. They're not. Look, just be careful. Look.
I did here all day today, sir. So
Listen.
just please be comfortable with me.
I am. I'm trying to relax for you, okay?
When I tell you I'm
I
not
know.
nothing,
Listen, I want you to
please.
just relax.
It hurts around my wrist because I broke it before. You don't understand, but
I
it's okay.
understand.
I just keep it around.
Listen.
Y'all
Nope.
don't care about nobody.
Just listen to me.
I got $2 and they ain't get that,
Listen.
bro. I don't want to
Listen to me. The quicker you tell me and you answer my questions, we can get this over with,
Ain't
okay?
no questions. I was out here during the wrong time, sir. That's
I understand,
it.
but if someone did something to you, I need you to tell me what
Oh,
happened.
see, that's the thing. I don't know who hit me in my eye. You see that, right? I
Yes.
don't know. I don't know.
Okay.
How am I supposed to know
So
there's so
I
many
know,
people?
I understand. Like, I promise you, it's gonna be okay. All
I'm
right?
just, why would y'all do this to me if I didn't do nothing wrong? I was the
Because
one that
we
got
don't know
hit.
what happened.
I was
Other
the one that
people,
got hit.
I know. Other people went in handcuffs too.
It's wrong. They didn't.
Listen to me. Do you know the people who you had the altercation with at all?
I
Do you know
didn't
who they
have an
are?
altercation. I was just trying to break it up, and they locked me in, sir. That's it,
I know
bro.
you're not answering my question.
I am. I said, I don't know the people. They just locked me
Okay,
up
but
to
listen,
being out
she was
there
telling
around.
me that they walked up to you and wanted to fight you at the very beginning, right?
For no reason, though. They don't
Okay,
know me.
do
They
you-
mistaken me as somebody
Okay,
else
so
like
you
they do all the time.
you didn't know who those people
I talked to the girl. The girl was all right, so it wasn't me.
Okay, so who were you trying to break up the fight with? Who else did they start
The
hitting?
girls that was on the square. I forgot who the girls were. The girl, yeah, I don't know where she went to. I don't.
Like, do you have my phone on you?
No, not
I don't know
anymore.
who got my phone on them, but I need
just
my
want to
phone.
be out these handcuffs. It just don't feel right.
I understand. Just relax. You're not under arrest, okay? You're not under arrest right now.
It's just how I feel. I didn't do nothing wrong. I don't know who hit me because when I turned around, I was punched in the face. They gone. Y'all let them go.
Where's the other girl at?
Do you know anybody who got my phone number?
No, they let them
Who got my
go.
phone?
They let them go and holding us, bro. That's the
I need
thing.
my phone.
Come lean up on my front bumper.
That's the thing. Y'all let them go and y'all didn't check us.
Who says we're letting anybody go?
They let them go. They didn't let us.
Who said we're letting anybody go?
They gone.
They gone where? We got multiple floats in cop
That's the
cars.
thing. I didn't do anything wrong. I
Come
was
sit
just
on my
trying
front
to break
bumper.
it up.
Come sit on my front bumper.
I'm always in trouble for no reason. I'm just pretty sure with two girls.
Go.
Somebody picked it up.
Go have a seat on my front bumper.
Okay, come out and have fun. It's sad. You cannot come out to have fun down there.
I understand.
I didn't do nothing. I'm not on probation.
Okay, who did you come out here with tonight? You and her and who else?
It was just me and my cousins. We was just chilling, and then all of a sudden a fight broke out in the club. And you know us, we're peacemakers, so we're trying to break it up. We all get hit, but don't nobody want to say who all get hit but me.
Trust me, listen to me. The people
In
who,
my eye.
the other people who are involved are in handcuffs right now and they're in cars, okay? We're just trying to figure out, I understand.
For y'all to just hold me like this, and I didn't do nothing.
Listen to me, I got hit in the mouth too, trying to break it up. I understand.
And I'm scared of y'all. That's the thing, I'm scared of y'all so bad.
What's up, man?
This is my wife. They trying to fight her.
I didn't do
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, she's not under arrest, man. We're just trying to figure out what's going on.
Listen, they try. Hush, hush, hush.
I'm scared.
They like hush.
My eye hurt.
They like hush.
Look.
My eye hurt. They're not trying to give it to the hospital. They just trying to question me.
Hush.
Listen to me.
Hush. Hush.
Relax, okay?
Hush. Hush. Hush.
Excuse me, sir. My eye hurt.
Where are you trying to go? This is my wife.
Okay, well, she's under arrest.
What? For what? For what? For what?
What did I do to the officer? What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? What did I do?
Unstructured for what? An investigation. How long, sir? How long? Hold on. Wait a minute.
What do you want to know?
What she under arrest for?
Obstruction.
Obstruction for what?
For resisting.
She wasn't she resisting for what?
Walking away from the police when they told you to stop. Alright, it's called crime.
I ain't gonna cry because they tried to.
It was them. They still don't believe me. Please help me. I'm not a bad
We're not here for.
I'm not a bad girl.
Stop.
I'm not a bad girl. Why are y'all treating me like this? It's the other dude.
Okay.
Why
Well, they're all
y'all?
under arrest too. Fine, you're under arrest for obstruction.
What do you mean?
Because when she told you to stop like 12 times and y'all continue on to walk away from her, she's trying to figure things out. That's
I
when
didn't
you're in
do that. I
That's
was
okay.
just trying to say
You'll
I
have your
didn't
day in
do
court.
anything.
You'll have your day in court, sweetheart. Have a seat in the car. Have a seat in the car. Have a seat in the car.
I didn't do anything. Y'all treat me
Have a
wrong.
seat in the car.
Come on.
What did I do?
Well, I just told you. Back in there.
When?
Back in there, see?
When?
Not right
What
now.
did I do though?
Come on,
But
sit
it's
down.
crazy.
See how she's
What did
not
I
going to
do?
cooperate? Okay.
Sister, what did I do? They hit me, bro, out my head. I already got tumors.
Okay.
I already got tumors, bro. What did I do? Shut up. What did
I
I do?
appreciate you.
Chill out. We're gonna get you out tonight. Chill out. Don't say I can talk to her. I ain't trying to.
I don't know.
Lele.
Basically, I got upset because I got punched for no reason. I'm trying to figure out what's going on. It's a black female. She punched me in the eye. Look at my eye.
Yeah, I see it. What was
I
she
got
wearing?
punched for, I don't even know. This is a black girl with brown hair. That's all I remember.
Okay. Was it braided? Do you know?
No, it was not braided, sir.
Okay.
Please don't arrest me. I don't know if I was defending myself.
Okay.
I got mad.
Okay, I understand what
she
you're saying.
punched me in the eye. My eye hurt.
Okay.
My right eye hurts, sir.
Okay.
Please, I gotta
Did the fight start over there?
I used the bathroom myself. I don't know. Yes, it started over there.
Okay.
Sir. I don't know what happened for real. All I know is I got punched in the eye, and I got mad because what did I do to get punched in the eye? I did not swing at nobody. I got punched first. That's all I'm saying. I'm mad. That's why I'm like this, because like I did not do nothing to get in handcuffs. That's all I'm saying. I do not want to go to jail. I just started it. I did not do nothing.
Okay. What I'm gonna need you to do is I'm gonna need you to put your feet in.
No.
I need you to do that until. Okay.
Please don't take me to.
Right now you're not going to jail. I have to finish my investigation.
I gotta pee. At least, you know, at least take me to the bathroom now. At least I gotta pee.
I can't do that right now. Put your feet in.
My God! What if I pee on myself? I'm in shock. I'm in shock right now.
I understand.
Because I did not expect none of this to happen,
Okay.
sir.
Well, I need to investigate what happened. I need to review camera footage and stuff like that, and I can't do that while you're.
Why am I in handcuffs?
Because I don't know who's responsible yet. I gotta do my investigation. I gotta review camera footage and everything.
What you mean responsible? What you mean responsible?
Who started the fight and everything? Who's responsible
okay, so
for it?
if I'm not the one that started it, I can be free, right?
I gotta do an investigation. I gotta review camera footage and stuff like that. I don't know that yet.
What you mean starting is who punched first, right? That's what you mean starting, right?
Like I said, I'm gonna have to see.
I got punched first.
Okay.
I gotta do something.
Okay. I gotta do some investigation to make sure that's right. Okay.
Please, I don't like to feel locked down.
Okay.
I did not start it, sir. That's what
I can roll the window down for you, but.
I don't like this. I'm not a criminal. I want to be home with my mom.
Okay. Slide feet in.
Am I going to jail?
You are, yes.
Why? For what? Can I ask for what? Can I ask for what? Jesus. For what? For what?
Right.
What? Pardon?
Mutual combat.
Neutral combat?
With no clear instigator, officers had no choice but to charge all involved parties. The sisters were both charged with disorderly conduct, while the opposing male and female were charged with obstruction of a police officer. What do you think? With no clear instigator, do you think officers made the right call by charging everyone involved? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video. And as always, stay safe out there.
No! Please let me out. Please. Please let me out.